Good morning, options traders. So we're going to see how NVDA opens here this morning. Obviously, I've got the calendar on here with the February 23rd expiration. That's the short strikes. And then a week away is the long strikes. And what we're needing to have happen per the opening of this trade yesterday is we need to have the volatility drop out of the short strike, of the Friday strike, more so than it drops out of the long strike, which is next Friday. So as we can see, NVIDIA popped up excessively. Yesterday, it sold down to 645. Today, it's up 100 points to 755. So that's going to be in the sweet spot to some extent of this trade. It would be a little better if we were down here around the 700 range. 750 is not going to be as good for us, but let's see what happens with this on the open here in a couple minutes. All right, so we are about 20 seconds to the open. What's going to happen here is this tent is going to shrink down considerably. Now, it will take a couple minutes after the open until the market maker gets their desk open, and then we're going to see these volatilities drop significantly as well. Okay, so we just got the graph updated. You can see the considerable amount that it shrunk. Also, look at the volatilities here. Let me drag down an image of the prior one. So, previously here we were 138, 1, and now we are 90 and 52. But we have run out of the upside of this particular trade. So ideally, there needs to be a pullback in NVIDIA here in order to get us back into this profitable zone. If we take a look at the chart of NVIDIA right now, we can see that it's hanging tough in the 750 area. So just going to have to kind of watch this at this point and see if it gets a pullback in here later today or tomorrow to a point where that can be pulled off profitably. So I'll be watching it and coming back and seeing where we end up on this.